Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it obligatory for each and every one of us as the believers to seek His pleasure day in and day out. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves us and wants to guide us, but He is also asking us to seek that guidance. So prayer is a very, very important part of ibadah that each one of us is forgetting. It's very important to seek Allah's pleasure through mercy, through forgiveness, through kindness, through blessings. When we seek that pleasure, when we ask for that mercy, when we ask for the forgiveness, He grants us even more. And the whole meaning of this Ihdina Sirat al-Mustaqim is seeking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's pleasure in every single thing that we do. As the only creator of this earth, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to follow His path, to follow His constitution called Islam, brought to us by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And in order for us to do that, we need to understand the Islam better. We need to understand the seed of Prophet Muhammad better. Be the best slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.